happy Holi. So today is Holi, but we're not really playing Holi. I'm at home, and this is usually what I do on Sundays and holidays, and a lot of you asked me to vlog about it. So this is pretty much how I spend my Sundays. There's a little bit of spying involved, there's a lot of decluttering and cleaning involved, and some Netflixing. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start with is a bit of a DIY. Now, I have bought this white spray paint for a while, and I've been wanting to spray paint my old little Piggy planter because he's become filthy, and I thought maybe redoing like my drawers or my dressing table. So let's DIY. So this is the guy we need to redo, and these, can you hear the Holi music? Ding chick, ding ding chick, ding ding chick, ding ding chick. So we're done with the scraping, and now we're gonna give him a new look. So I don't think I'm going to do these because I'm just not happy with how the wood is taking the color. I think they're better off this way. But Piggy is done. So for lunch we have some mutton pulao, some sambar and rice, and bengan ka bharta. Okay, so it is 4 o'clock and clearly Holi is still not over. You can hear the music. This is what happens every time there's a festival. I have a headache now and I want to sleep, but okay, usually what I do is I put on a face mask and then I start cleaning because I have to do that always. So right now, so basically I want to declutter the dressing table from here and here, put everything into the baskets again, sort it, put it in, and this is my stash, my spa stash. So I usually pick up things every Sunday or on a holiday and try them. I've been dying to try this one. I haven't tried this, which is the lip patch I bought from Korea, and this is the Glam Glow bubble mask, which I wanted to try as well. So I think we're gonna give this a go. And something for the blackheads. And by the way, are you not impressed by how organized I am? This is my beauty stash, all my stuff in this box, which goes there. So we're gonna start with the volcanic lava, which is a peel off nose mask. I did another blackhead treatment last Sunday, so I'm not sure how much is gonna come out, but let's see. This is before. This was really pointless. It's just like this gooey little lip thing, but it doesn't stick on and it keeps coming on, like coming off every time you like talk or breathe or anything. So it's quite pointless. Now let's try and take this off. Honestly, I don't really see much of a difference with this. The Tony Moly, like other blackhead mask was much better. This is kind of like the same. Okay, time for the bubble sheet now. Basically, we're supposed to just wet the face first. Let's do that. Okay, so that mask felt amazing. Like my skin looks and feels super clean. It's like almost like a top layer of dead skin is gone. Very impressed. What do you guys think? Okay, now back to sorting the dressing table out. So I'm done with my dressing table and I'm really happy with the way it's looking. Clean. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is wash my dirty makeup brushes. So we're gonna start with using some surgical spirit that you will get at any chemist. This is gonna kill all the bacteria in the brushes. Just keep cleansing them in it. Now just let them sit like this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you just basically quickly rinse them. And then just put them out to dry this way. Okay, so spa is done. Most of my cleaning is done. Washing my brushes done. DIY done. So pleased with myself so far. For those of you who are going to ask about washing my brushes, I barely use my makeup brushes. I've mentioned this earlier as well. I barely use makeup like 2 or 3 times this month, which is why I just use surgical spirit and water. But if I were to use them more often, I would follow this up with another step, which would be the brush soap or baby soap. Now it's time for an evening snack. So, do you guys remember the custard cruffin I spoke about? This croissant is from the same bakery. It smells so good. Mag Street, and they have the best like baked stuff like croissants, cruffins. Oh. Okay, we're coming to the end of the day. The music is still blaring, of course, it is 7 p.m., but the party never stops. I bought these, which are those space saver vacuum bags, because I've been running out of space and I need to put away my winter stuff. I don't know how well they work. Never tried them. Let's see. So this is one bag, which is pretty large, and we gotta fill it, and then we gotta vacuum it. Oh my god, it actually works and it is so amazing. I have to get more of these, and so I have to finish all that and make it into that. Done. So guys, it is 8:30 and the music has finally stopped after like 8 hours, and yeah, now I can watch some Netflix. So currently we are watching Dark, which is really amazing and pretty intense, so check it out if you haven't. And on any holiday or a Sunday, this is what I usually like to do. I like to declutter, I like to clean, I like to DIY, and basically do lots of stuff. What do you guys do? So you guys know the drill. If you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up and comment below with what you guys did today. I didn't really play Holi, and this is pretty much what I did. I think I achieved quite a lot today, so very pleased with myself. What did you guys do today? See you guys. Bye.